Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change your name in Zoom. Whether you need to update your display name for meetings, work, or school, this guide will help you do it quickly and easily. On your Zoom dashboard, to change your name, all we need to do is click the small profile icon in the upper right corner. Once we click it, a pop-up window will appear. From here, we just need to choose the option we want. Since we are updating our display name, let's go to the settings. Once we are in the settings, we need to scroll down on the left side until we find the profile section. Click on it to open our account details. Here, we can see our name and personal information right away. To make a change, we just need to click Edit next to the name. From here, we can update our name or display name to whatever we like. Once we are happy with the changes, all we have to do is save. This makes sure our name appears correctly in meetings and webinars. And that's it. We have successfully changed our name on Zoom.